How do I identify keywords that drive high sales? First thing that we would do in Scalable is downloading your last 30 days report and see what works, what doesn't work, what should be paused, what should thrive as a new campaign, and which are things that we should negate. When it comes down to identifying keywords that what works and brings high sales, I would first define it. What means for you to have a keyword that drives high sales? One order is not high sale. Let's be blunt. Yeah. So it has to be at least 5 to 10 orders per keyword for you to consider it a keyword that brings high sales. Now, once you downloaded the report, check out the search term reports pivot table that I'm offering for free. Check it out so you have a better understanding without us going through a 30 minutes full education session. Check that out, and that is going to help you understand better how you would be doing that. But basically what we're looking for is clear patterns that a keyword work well for you, and then we're trying to mimic whatever worked well for you by creating its own new campaign.